Hello and good afternoon everyone. You all are welcome to the Chemistry Logic 123 channel, and I have discussed in the previous video about the carbohydrate and the protein, and we are going to discuss in this video about the lipid, the introduction of the lipid and classification of lipid and the function of the lipid, and these all are important for the grade 11th student. Okay, let's discuss now. Okay, so let's start our topic name, that is lipids. Okay, what is lipid? At first we learn that what is lipid. Lipids are naturally occurring compound. What is lipid? Naturally occurring organic compound. And what is the main role of the lipid? Which is insoluble in inorganic solvent. Which is insoluble in water. This is insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. Example alcohol, ether, benzene, and maybe what? Chloroform. So what is lipid? Lipids are the naturally occurring organic compound which is insoluble in waters and soluble in organic solvent. What is organic solvent? Those solvent which are non-polar in nature, which have no positive and negative poles. Okay, and what are the example of the organic solvent? That may be the alcohol, ethers, benzene and chloroform. Okay, and we are going to discuss about the classification of lipid. Lipid is divided into the 4 types, that is the simple lipids, complex lipids, and the derived lipids and the milliciousness lipids. Okay, so we write in the board, that is the simple lipids, right? Simple lipids. Next is complex lipid. Third is derived lipid. And fourth is, and simple lipids contains fatty acid plus alcohol. Okay, complex lipid contain fatty acid plus alk plus other groups. Okay, and next is derived lipid. Derived lipid is the combination of the simple lipids and the complex lipid. What is the combination of the simple lipids and derived lipids? And the last one is milliciousness lipid. Okay, this contain the characteristics of the lipids. Characteristics of lipid. Okay, and if you take the example of the simple lipid, that discuss about the simple lipids. You know, it is made up by the fatty acid plus alcohol. Okay, and if you take the example of the simple lipids, that is triacyl glycerol. Okay, and that also can be the triglyceride or the neutral fat. What is called? Neutral fat. Okay, neutral fat. And this simple lipid is mostly abundant. It is most abundant in animals. एनिमल्स मा सबसे बढी पाउने फैट चाहिँ कुन हो त? सिम्पल लिपिड्स हो है। अर्को के भन्छ? इट इज फाउन्ड stored from stored from lipids in animals. के भनिन्छ त यहाँ सिम्पल लिपिड्स के हुन्छ त ह्युमन बडी या त एनिमल्सहरुमा स्टोर्ड फर्ममा चाहिँ लिपिड पाउने गरेको हुन्छ है त। अर्को हेर्दाखेरि इट इज कन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोर्स अफ एनर्जी। इट इज कन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोर्स अफ एनर्जी। सोर्स अफ एनर्जी यो एउटा सिम्पल लिपिड के हो त ह्युमन बिङ्स या लिभिङ बिङ्सको लागि चाहिँ एउटा कन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोर्स अफ एनर्जी हो है त। अब हामी हेरौँ ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स या न्युट्रल फ्याटको चाहिँ कम्बिनेसन केबाट बनेको हुन्छ त्यो हामी चेक गरौँ है त। फ्याटी एसिड प्लस ग्लिसरलबाट के भन्छ त यहाँ ट्राइग्लिसराइड या त न्युट्रल फ्याट भन्छ। केबाट फ्याटी एसिड प्लस ग्लिसरलबाट है। अब हामी एउटा डिफरेन्स हेर्ने हो भन्दाखेरि जस्तै कि ओइल र लिपिडमा के डिफरेन्स छ हामी थाहा पाउने हो भने के हेर्छौँ हामी त देयर इज ओन्ली फिजिकल डिफरेन्स बिट्विन द ओइल एन्ड द लिपिड्स। द्याट इज वाट ओइल इज इन द लिक्विड फर्म एट द रूम टेम्परेचर बट lipids is solid at the room temperature. Okay, and we are next going to study about the waxes. Okay, can I erase it? Okay, what we are going to study about that is waxes. Okay, waxes is also the second types of the simple lipids. What is the simple lipids? सिम्पल लिपिड्स चाहिँ के हो त यो सेकेन्ड टाइपमा के आउँछ हाम्रो व्याक्सेस आउँछ है त। व्याक्सेस केबाट बनेको हुन्छ त सबसे पहिले केबाट बन्छ फ्याटी एसिडबाट प्लस सिटाइल अल्कोहलबाट। केबाट बन्छ सिटाइल अल्कोहल। सिटाइल अल्कोहलबाट बन्छ है त है। र भन्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यो चाहिँ कस्मेटिक इन्डस्ट्रीहरुमा मेनली युज हुन्छ। के को लागि युज हुन्छ इट इज मेनली used in cosmetic industry। केमा हुन्छ कस्मेटिक इन्डस्ट्रीमा है। जस्तै कि अब हामीलाई लोसन बनाउनु छ क्रीम बनाउनु छ एन्ड डिफ्रेन्ट टाइप अफ थिङ्स क्यान बी मेड बाई द युजिङ अफ द लिपिड्स। ओके, सो व्याक्सेस इज मोस्टली युज्ड इन cosmetic industry. So next we are going to study about the complex lipid. Okay, let's erase it. Complex lipid. When you go to the others lipids, that is a complex lipid. Complex lipid, it is mainly divided into 4 types. Okay, first is phospholipids. What is phospholipids? Second is glycolipids. And third is lipoprotein. What is lipoproteins? And fourth is other type of lipids, other lipids. And you all know the combinations of lipid in here. That is phospholipids means the fatty acid plus alk plus Young base phosphoric acid. Okay, phosphoric acid. And the second glycolipids. Glycolipids contains the fatty acid alk plus in the place of other group we can add here carbohydrate. Okay, that is fatty acid plus alk plus carbohydrate. Okay, and next is lipoprotein. We can add here, that is fatty acid plus alk plus we can add the other group in the place of, that is protein. Okay, and next is other lipids. We can take the example of other lipids like sulfolipids and aminolipids. What? Aminolipids. Okay, so these are the 4 types of lipids, are the types in the complex lipids. And next we are going to derive we are going to the derived lipids. Okay, we also check some example of the derived lipids. I am erasing here. Derived lipid. You all know derived lipids are the combination of derived lipid. Derived lipid. Derived lipids are the combination of simple lipids and complex lipid. Complex lipid. So this is number third. Derived lipids are the simple lipids and the complex. It is obtained from the simple lipids and the complex lipid. Okay, we can take the example of glycerol, fatty acid, and second is mono acyl glycerol, and third is di-acyl glycerol, sorry, GLY, and fourth is steroids, and fifth is that is ketone bodies, and sixth is vitamins A, D, E, and K. Okay, these are the example of derived unit. Okay, so अब हामी जान्छौँ मिलिसियसनेस लिपिडतिर. ओके, MILCELLENEOS miliciousness lipid. Okay, LIPIDS, that is ascorins, CAROTENOIDS, carotenoids and ascorins. Okay, LANC, ascorins. Okay, so these are all the classification of lipids. So we are moving to the function of the lipids. Okay, now we are going to study about the main function of the lipids. Okay, so let's start. The first, when I rub this board, I will get that is energy storage. Energy storage. First is energy storage. Oh my god, I always write energy storage. Energy storage. It plays great role. It plays great role in energy storage. Energy storage than carbohydrates. Okay, they store lipids for the long time. Energy storage. Okay, structure. Next is what? Cell membrane structure. When you go for the second function, that is cell membrane storage. Cell membrane structure. Also, lipid are the basic requirement for the cell membrane structure. For example, we can take that is the phospholipids. Phospholipids are the basic cell membrane structure of cell membrane. Okay, what it gives the phospholipids gives the best structure or the basic structures to the cell membrane. Okay, and we are going for the next, that is insulation and the protection. What is goes, that is the insulation and the protection. If you go for the insulation and the protection, insulation and the protection. Production. Fourth is hormone production. It regulates the body temperature. Insulation and production. What it regulate? It regulate the body temperature. Body temperature. Okay. Protect the organs. Protect the organs by cautioning from it. Okay. And second is hormone production. If we learn here for the hormone production, क्या करते हैं? Stored lipids help to produce testosterone and estrogen hormone. Estrogen hormone. हार्मोन प्रोडक्सनमा कसरी हेल्प गर्छ त? स्टोरेड लिपिडले के गर्छ त? टेस्ट्रोजेन र एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन प्रोडक्सन गर्न चाहिँ हेल्प गर्दो रहेछ। अर्को चाहिँ इन्सुलेसन र प्रोडक्सनमा के गर्छ त? हाम्रो लिपिड्सले चाहिँ के गर्छ? हाम्रो बडीको टेम्परेचरलाई पनि के गर्छ त? रेगुलेट गर्ने काम गर्छ है। अर्को के गर्छ त? यसले हाम्रो बडी अर्गन्सलाई काउजिङबाट के गर्छ त? यसले अर्को काम के छ त यसको? भिटामिन एब्जर्प्सन, जुन हामी लेखौँ 5 मा भिटामिन एब्जर्प्सन। Point. Vitamin absorption. Helps in the vitamin absorption. It absorbs soluble vitamin like A, B, E and K. अब इन्ड हुन जान्छ हाम्रो लेक्चर चाहिँ फिनिश भयो। तपाईहरुले यो भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो? राम्रो लाग्यो भने लाइक कमेन्ट गर्नु होला है। कि कस्तो लाग्यो भिडियो भनेर कुनै डाउट छ भने तपाईहरु सोध्न सक्नुहुन्छ। थ्यांक यू।